Are you a beginner to making money online and you're struggling to find ways to make money online? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you the best apps to make $500 for beginners. This video is sponsored by Lovely Jewels. Their mission is to keep their customers up to date with the latest fashion trends. Please support my channel by buying a trending necklace. Link is in the description. Use the code AppGrind. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Okay guys, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is Poll Play Surveys for Money. So on this app, you're going to get paid for your opinions. Now let me show you the screenshot so you can learn about this app. Complete surveys and earn money. Select a survey you want to complete. Give your opinions and answers. And as you can see, it's going to be questions like this, guys. Very, very simple. After a completion, you will be rewarded. And this is how it's going to look inside once you get rewarded. It's going to show your balance and how much you have earned. You can pay out your balance via PayPal or gift card. So let's go ahead and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.5. Very good app, guys. Anything over 4 stars is a very good app. Now let's look at one review here. So this person right here says, look, this app is great and it pays really well with loads of gift cards to use. So this guy is benefiting from this app and he loves this app, guys. And he's making money from it. So to get started on this app, go ahead and go to Poll Pay Surveys for Money. Now let me go to the second app. Okay guys, I'm at the second app and I'm at their website. Name of this app is Neocortex. Now once you get here, what you're going to do is click right here where it says Phone Paycheck. So with Phone Paycheck, it says re-rent processor time. From phone owners all over the world, redeem your earnings in US dollars via PayPal. So let's go ahead and click right here and learn more about this. So it's available in the Google Play Store. And they also have a little video you can watch and see how everything works. Now, easy money. Get paid to let us use your smartphone processor while you're not using it. Download the app and start earning. It's that easy. We use your smartphone processor when you're not using it, when your phone is charging and connected to the Wi-Fi, so we don't drain your battery or use up your data plan. So that's good to know, guys, because some apps out here, they use up a lot of battery time. No snooping. We don't have access to any of your personal information. We can't see your photos or videos. We can't listen to your conversations, and we don't use your precise location. Then they have no ads, so you don't have to worry about ads, guys, and no evil. We use your processor to help our customers get their work done. For example, we help businesses test their websites. We only use your processor to do legit, legal, and ethical business. That's good to know, guys, because a lot of apps out here that's not doing good business. So here's the only thing, guys. You're not going to make that much money from this app, but you're going to be getting passive income without really doing anything as long as you use that phone, or even when you're not using the phone. So it says, show me the money. Top earning users will get $80 a year for letting us use their phone, while it is charging 8 hours at night, or $240 a year for a spare phone charging all the time. So if you have 2 phones, You're going to have 200. You can make up $240 a year. That adds up to $320 a year for a main phone and a spare one. Isn't that something, guys? You don't have to do anything. You just have the phone charging and you get paid. Now, given to people. So instead of buying lots of computers, we're paying people all over the world for the use of this idle phones. And we give them the opportunity to donate their earnings to their favorite causes. So guys, if you want to donate, you'll be able to donate to your favorite cause. So guys, that's it. Again, to sign up, all you have to do is just go to Google Play, download the app, and you're good to go. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below, share this video everywhere, help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers. And one more thing before I go, make sure you click the link in my description if you want to get some lovely jewels. On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.